What the crap happened, man? We're stuck on this island, bro. What's going on? Jack, is that you? Jack, no! Wait. Oh, dang it. Why do I keep forgetting your name, bro? I'm like, oh my god. Well, we need to find a way out of here before, freaking that thing just kills us or something. So, yeah. Why are you not talking? Well, Jack, no! What's this? What's this? Let's go down here. Let's go down here. Ew, it smells gross. It's a poopy doopy sewer. Ew. Ew, that is disgusting. It's disgusting, Jack. It's disgusting. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh no. No, Jack, no. No. I keep forgetting your name for some reason. I'm not sure. Well, that stunk. Well, I guess we gotta build a house. All hail the magical green wool. 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 Ow! Why'd you punch me, Jack? Oh, no, that was messed up. No, 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 that's not cool. I'm gonna build me a house. Time to go Incredible Hulk on some trees. I am the Hulk. You don't want to make me mad. Oh my god. We're stuck on this island and the last thing I want to do is build a boat. Well, I guess I did drive into the Bermuda Triangle. I'm not sure. All I remember is we on a yacht and I seen this triangle-shaped water and I kind of drove into it. I was like, hey, has anybody seen this before? Then I was like, and then our boat just flew.
How do you do that? How do you make that sound?
Yeah, so, no, you killed my childhood dream pet. No, no, I'm gonna leave you there to die now. You killed Larry the non-lying cow. No, I'm just gonna continue getting wood. Go Incredible Hulk. And I went Incredible Hulk on the trees. I'm gonna get some freaking wood out of this, bruh. Nah, bruh. Oh, we getting wood? And he's still, no, he got out. Kill him. No, he got out. You killed Larry, you monster. More wood. We need 16 or 18. Oh my, oh my god. Why though, why? Larry, why? You killed Larry. You killed Larry, no! No, Larry! Well, we still got wood. We gotta build this house. Build a house. Boy, build the house. Disney World! Oh my god. I have no idea why I'm doing this. I already have enough. Jack, it's time to build a house. It's gonna get nighttime soon. I punched him all the way across the map. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Let's make some wood planks out of our hands. We're gonna go Incredible Hulk on these freaking logs, boy. I have 64 and 8 now. What do you mean? That's all. Oh my god, freaking, why are you getting a sponge? I have no idea, dude. Oh my god, the magical apple! Let me bash your head in! What do you mean no? It's the magical apple. Bash his head in. Bash his head in with the magical apple. Still have an apple. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to eat it. No. No, I'm gonna have to eat it. No. I'm gonna have to eat it. No. No, it's so delicious though. No. Wow, it's getting nighttime, Jack. Jack, it's getting nighttime. Ah! Oh my God, Jack. Jack, why? No, Jack. Jack, how could you? Hey, a melon. Hey, more fruit. Melon. Melon, melon, melancholy, melon, melon, melon. Oh God, it's getting nighttime. I told you this was a Bermuda Triangle. Look, look, see, it's even got that cave thing. Like, our boat is on the other side of that, and we crashed all the way on top of that freaking waterfall, or whatever the crap that was. I told you, we are in a giant Bermuda Triangle. Oh my God. It's nighttime. Oh, we need to build a house. I'm out. I'm out. Screw you, dude. I'm out. Melon, so good. Oh my God, freaking skeletons! Oh my God, they're survivors with bows. They were the survivors with bows. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Oh God, I'm out. He done hit me in the forehead. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Ah, zombies!
Robert, how are you supposed to move on?
Oh my God, bro, I'm out. I am out, bro. This is the last thing I'm doing. I am freaking out. We need to get off this island. I am out, bro. Like, I am seriously out, bro. I am never doing this again. I'm never going on vacation. I'm going to sit home. I'm going to go home. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to go home. I'm going to go to bed. Ain't going to break my house. I take out my shotgun and I blow him face off. I'm going to go home. Go to freaking bed. Oh my God, what is that? No!